Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. So the chickens got to be gone by the 29th. Any homesteaders like to take these chickens off my hand? They're still kind of like teenagers. They are. There's 2 roosters and 5 hens. They're not laying eggs yet. They're still young. I'm guessing they're somewhere between, I don't know, 2 to 8 weeks before they start laying eggs. So if there's any homesteaders near Battle Creek, Michigan, I would be very happy to drop these off or to have you come get them. I got the feed. I might have, I don't know, $200 worth of feed. So I'd like to keep the stuff. If you're going to be new to homesteading, maybe, I don't know, we'll work something out. But when I do get out to the country myself, maybe I'll want some chicks or 1 or 2 chickens to start out with. But they got to go. I just wanted them to produce eggs. It is free-range chickens produce the most nutrient-dense protein there is possible. So, when we get back into the fitness, I wanted 100% pure protein right there, the chicken eggs. So, there goes my pets. But if it's a YouTuber, we can collab and go from there. But yeah, please take them off my hands. I talked to a couple. I dropped the phone. So I talked to a few people at work. One used to have chickens, and he don't know. Him and his wife are going to talk about it. So we'll go from there. And he's got solar on his roof, but he don't have a YouTube channel. But yeah, it'd be cool if they could go close and I could still go see them. And still maybe get a good egg or 2. But they gotta go to a good home. I didn't buy the chicks. They were little. They were just a couple weeks old. I didn't buy them to raise meat birds. I just wanted the eggs. But I did think over the last 24 hours if I was going to cook them up or what. But no. There is one in the Lansing area. I haven't seen his channel. I don't know, maybe a year and a half, I think. I don't know. But he just had a baby, so I don't know if he wants to meet me and take out a few more chickens or not. He got a homestead. But noises. We got an air base. You're not going to see it clear. But anyway, if you want them, you're a homesteader, you're a YouTuber, come and get them. We'll do a collab. Alright, that's it. Have a nice sunny day.